Today on the podcast, we're taking a closer look at what President Trump revealed in this past week's address to Congress, the startling surge in military recruitment figures since the dawn of 2025, why it's happening, and where it's headed. And did you know a new Civil War-era movie opens this weekend? It's called Guns of Redemption, and we'll take a look. I'm Robert Child, and this is Point of the Spear. Hey guys, I have some great news. I'm thrilled to invite you to explore my newly launched online store, where all my books and audiobooks are now conveniently available in one place. And guess what? By purchasing directly from my store, you'll save money compared to those big-name retailers. It's a win-win. I can't wait for you to check out the collection and perhaps discover new favorites. Head over to the link in this episode's description and dive into a world of captivating stories and incredible savings. Your next great read is just a click away. Visit my online store now and enjoy the best deals on all my books and audiobooks. Well, I'd say a good number of folks were just as surprised as I was at President Trump's announcement that U.S. Army recruitment has surged to a level not seen in the past 15 years. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth recently announced that the Army achieved its best recruiting numbers in January, surpassing a 12-year record set in December 2024. This isn't a gradual uptick, it's a dramatic shift. So, what's driving this influx of new recruits? Several factors appear to be converging. Firstly, geopolitical tensions. Reports from various intelligence agencies, widely covered by news outlets like the Associated Press, suggest a rise in global instability. This has created a heightened perception of national security risk and a corresponding sense of duty among many young Americans. Secondly, and perhaps more surprisingly, economic factors are playing a role. With the ongoing fluctuations in the job market and the rising cost of education, the military's promise of stable employment, comprehensive benefits, and tuition assistance is proving increasingly attractive. Online forums and social media platforms like Reddit and TikTok are filled with discussions about the practical advantages of military service. Many young people are viewing it as a viable, even desirable, career path. Adding fuel to the fire, the military has launched a highly effective, digitally driven recruitment campaign, leveraging advanced AI targeting and immersive virtual reality experiences. They're reaching potential recruits in ways never before seen. Think interactive simulations of combat scenarios, personalized career path projections, and seamless online application processes. This has significantly streamlined the recruitment pipeline, making it easier than ever to join up. Furthermore, online discussions are happening regarding the shift in public perception. The narrative about military service is changing. It's moving away from a last resort option and towards a respected, even prestigious career choice. This shift is being amplified by social media influencers and online communities who are portraying military life in a positive light. Is this recruitment surge a temporary blip or a sign of a fundamental shift in American society? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, the face of the U.S. military is changing, and the implications are far-reaching.
A man shows up wanting to help us rebuild our church for nothing more than a place to sleep at night.
I don't trust him. It's just you don't know anything about him.
I'm not going to turn a man in need away.
So, Guns of Redemption is this super intense Western directed by Brian Skiba. It stars Casper Van Dien as Luke, this rugged gunslinger with a pretty dark past. Picture this. The guy's got scars on his face and is haunted by nightmares. He's trying to leave his violent days behind, but his old enemies catch up to him and shoot him down. Before he bleeds out, Luke straps on his guns for one final showdown. He's out to avenge the death of a man of God, played by Sean Astin, who took him in and rescued Charlotte and Anna from the evil General Bork, played by Jeff Fahey. The film promises some serious action and a lot of emotional depth. With his life slipping away, Luke's quest for redemption and justice kicks into high gear. The cast is fantastic, with Caitlin Kemp as Charlotte and Sienna Bjornerud as Anna, adding even more layers to the story. Guns of Redemption isn't just a revenge tale. It's a journey of redemption and battling one's inner demons. Brian Skiba, the director, has done an incredible job weaving a narrative that dives into the complexities of human nature and the aftermath of violence. The movie's setting and cinematography will transport you straight to the rugged landscapes of the Civil War era. It's gritty, it's real, and it's going to pull you right in. The movie clocks in at 1 hour and 38 minutes, plenty of time for a thrilling ride. Guns of Redemption opens in theaters today, and definitely one to put on your radar to check out. That's it for today's episode. And if you like what you hear, leave a review or a rating, or just click the follow button, and be sure to check out our Point of the Spear channel on YouTube with hundreds of hours of military history videos. I'm Robert Child, and this has been Point of the Spear.
Music licensed from audioblocks.com. Point of the Spear is produced by RSC Media Group.